In this video, you are going to learn my 4-step process to turn any product images into the professional UGC ad videos with the help of AI. For example, right now this is the perfume bottle and this is only the product images, but I have turned using an AI tool into this professional UGC ad.
Stop scrolling, I just found the perfume that literally makes strangers stop me on the street. I sprayed it once before brunch and 8 hours later my friend's like, wait, how do you still smell that good?
See, this is really amazing. Can you differentiate? This is the AI generated, and in this video I'm going to give you the 4 steps to do that yourself as well. So the first step, we are going to use a tool that is the Yapper. This is the tool that is going to give you the Nano Banana, Veo 3.1, Sora 2, all the popular AI models in this single platform. Second, we are going to just get the images with our AI avatar or AI product photo, then we are going to combine them like this here. Okay, then after that we are going to turn that image into the professional UGC ad. So without wasting any more time, let me get started. So first, let me talk about the Yapper. This is the tool with the help of you can just create the professional AI videos. For example, if I go to the creations here, I have just tested out with so many things. Like I have created deepfake video, I have created the AI generated videos, and it's absolutely amazing. So if I go to the create video here, we have the 3 popular models available: video generation, lip syncing, and image to avatar here. But if I scroll down below, we have also so many amazing examples available. With a single click I can recreate here, so that is really cool. But if I click here on the create video section, and if I go to the this thing here till the end, okay, this is not the here. If I go to the video generation option here, okay, and then if I scroll down below, you can see here I can just add my video prompt. I can add the choose frame, start frame, or the end frame, and I can select from here the popular all the AI video models. Like we have the 3.1 of the Veo, we have the Sora 2, we have the Van, all this stuff in this single platform here. Okay, so right now I'm going to do a video for creating the VGC ads here. So I will go to this tool section, and here you can find the tools here to creating the videos on the different purpose. So I am right now creating a user generated content, that is the UGC ads video here. So we have the so many already the examples available here. Okay, see, there are so many examples available. Okay, so I want to create a product image video here. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, that is the pro image combining. So simply click here on the combine images. I am right now just combining the images with my AI avatar and the video ad here. Okay, so simply click here on the model, and right now you can see we have the Nano Banana. Okay, and this is other AI image generation model. So I'm going to choose the Nano Banana. After that I'm going to use the reference images. So you can see if you have your avatar reference or model video or image available, you can choose. But if you don't have, go to the examples, and we have the so many models, images, and the models here basically. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one because I have created with this one. So I'm just showing you right in front of you from the starting or the scratch, and after that it will ask you to add your reference image for the product. So I'm going to add the reference image of the product. So click here on the upload. Okay, you can also upload your own model image here. Okay, no worries. So I'm going to use, this is the product image I have selected. So simply choose this one, or this one. Okay, I am going to use this one here. Now what is the best thing? I can crop the image within the same platform. I don't need to use the any other image editing platform or the tool to cropping the image. So I have just cropped out. Okay, and now simply I need to choose this one. Okay, so I have selected the both of the stuff here. This is the my model, and this is the my reference of the product. And now I have selected the my image editing model, that is the Nano Banana, and per model I want the around the 3 images. Okay, so now I want to explain it, like generate few images model spraying the perfume. Okay, so this is the simple prompt I have given, and simply click here, and now it will give you the 3 images. Okay, based on the prompt we have given. Let's see. And once our image is done, we are done on the second step. Later on we are going to turn that image into the UGC video using a prompt here. Okay, so for everything I am showing you right now, I just only needed the Yapper platform. I don't need to go to the differently or separately on the Nano Banana, then the Sora 2 or Veo 3.1, or I need the prompt writing with the ChatGPT. Everything I can do here on the Yapper. So you can see I have just consistent images here. You can see right now. It is really cool. Okay, so might be possible that you are not happy with it. So what you can do, you can change the prompt here and you will get the new set of the images. For example, generate image of person spraying the perfume here. Okay, I have changed that, and this time I only want the 2 images. Then hit the generate button, and now it will give me the new set of the images here. So that's how you are going to use it to generate the different images. So suppose your image generated, I am going to choose this one here. Okay, so I will open this one, and now right now you can see this is the image here within the okay, so these images are generated. Yeah, okay, so I have choose this one. So right within the same platform, what I can do, I can turn this image. Okay, I think the image is generated, that's why it's getting back on the gallery. No worries. So let me select this one. So right in front of you, same dashboard I am using, I can just turn this generated image with my product into the video here. You can see 2 AI video. I can also edit the images. I can upscale, I can change the avatar or remove background. All this stuff I can do within the same platform. So let's click here on the 2 AI video here. So right now I am turning this image as the start frame into a video here. Okay, so simply I need a prompt here. So what I can do, I can just get its prompt assistant, or I can write or paste my prompt here. So I will go to the write assistant. So here I need to just give the command person spraying and talking about how good this open water perfume. Okay, so this is the simple prompt I have given. Let me click here. Now it will give me the prompt with the detailed dialogues and the accents. You can see this is the okay, person spraying perfume talking about quality, they are wearing a casual open water. Okay, I can also add a dialogue here like, oh my god, this perfume is so good, and this video is generated by Yapper. Okay, so I will add the dialogue. And click here on the close and apply. Simply click here, hit here, and now it will ask you how many the outputs you want, whether 1, 2 or 3. I want only 1. Click here on the agree, generate video. Now it will take around the 2 minutes to generating the video, but once the video is done, this is how it will look like here. Okay, so if I open this one, okay, this one open here, this will how it is
Stop
playing.
scrolling. I just found the perfume that literally makes strangers stop me on the street. I sprayed it once before brunch, and 8 hours later, my friend's like, wait, how do you still smell that good?
Okay, so that's how you can generate the UGC videos with your products. And not only that, it has also so many cool features available. Like I told you, you can create the other video formats like the viral vlogs, the different kind of the scenarios. It has so many features available in the single platform that you are going to be just amazed here. Okay, so while this video is generating, let me also go through all these features that can help you understand about this platform. So if I go to the create videos, here we have the different formats available, and like I said, I can, if go video generation, I can use the so many stuff like with the different AI models. I can give the prompt and it will generate the videos for me. If I go to the this lip sync deepfake, it has so many popular celebrities like the politics, tech, avatars. Okay, so I can select any of that one and create a video with on their voice. Like for example, this is the president here, and if I just give any prompt here, it is going to just generate the that text into the professional video that you cannot even differentiate. So that is called the deepfake video. I have already created a detailed video on that one as well that you can find on my YouTube channel here. Okay, so make sure if you want to check it out the videos on the Yapper, you can also check out the description. So this is the video right now, still only the few seconds. Yeah, video is just generated here. Let me open up and play it in front of you.
Oh my god, this perfume is so good. And this video is generated by Yapper.
See, that is really amazing video quality. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this my quick tutorial on how to create the UGC video ads using the Yapper platform. First of all, this is the all-in-one platform. You can generate the images with different AI images models, same platform. You can turn that image into the really professional quality of the UGC ad, again within the same platform using the Veo 3.1 or Sora 2. Okay, so right now its lifetime is starting from the just $49, and you don't need to pay the any monthly or yearly subscription charge. Just pay the one-time payment and you will get the lifetime access. So it has the multiple tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the highest number of the limits per month you can use for generating these images or videos. Okay, so what I suggest, go with at least the tier 2 plan because it will give you the 3000 credits per month, and that is really sufficient. Then we have the lip syncing assets, all this stuff and features to all these options. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. If you want to check out detailed video on the Yapper and features explanation, just check out the description and look at this video that you are right now popping up. So that's all for today's video I want to talk about. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.